Food processors and blenders are both useful kitchen appliances, but each one is best for certain jobs. Let's dive into the differences between them so you can choose the one that's best for you. Most food processors come with multiple attachments that can grate, slice, chop, shred, and puree foods. There's typically only an on and an off switch and a pulse function. Most blenders have a range of speeds and settings, and the design creates a downward vortex that works better for liquefying foods. Food processor containers usually hold slightly more than pitchers. Food processors have a wider bowl and can hold 6 to 14 cups. Blender pitchers typically range from 2 to 14 cups. While the capacity may seem similar, you can fill a food processor bowl almost to capacity since it can handle thicker ingredients. Whereas blenders are built to handle ice and frozen food, but you can only fill the pitcher 2/3 of the way full, so there's room for movement. Use a blender when you're making things like crushed ice, smoothies, frozen drinks, bisques, or sauces. Use a food processor when you're chopping, mincing, or grating ingredients like vegetables, cheese, or creating dough, breadcrumbs, tapenades, and salsas. Now you're ready to pick the right tool for your kitchen creations. Visit Lowe's to bring home the appliance that fits your cooking style.